Hi, honey. What you doing? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hi. What is you? Are you up here with Mama? What you doing? Okay, get down. Get down. Nice. No, stop it. Not good. It's gonna hurt your ear. Hey, Maggie, don't run away from Mama. Come here. Wanna play with your ball? Wanna play with the ball? Come on, play with the ball. Come on. Okay, now give it back. Give it back to Mama. Come on. Ah! Good girl. Yeah. That's what you do to all the Grammy's boyfriends now. Okay, stop it. You're gonna wake Grammy up now. I love you. And you behave and be quiet. Messy room. My messy room. Come on. Here with Mama. Mommy's messy bed. Yeah, my baby. Hey. Give Mama kisses. Give Mama kisses. Honey. Yes, Mommy loves you. Tummy scratch? Again! Don't leave Mommy. Come on. Oh my gee, it's dark outside. It's dark out here, isn't it? Why? Because everybody's sleeping. Yes, they are. No. No. Don't touch the ball, Magda. Okay, come here. Say goodbye. No, no, no. No, no. Say bye. Say bye. Maggie, come here. You need to say bye. Oh, whoa. Hey. Okay, goodbye, puppy. Did you hit your head?